Hold on.
Hold on, Ariel, put it on the other game.
Well, the hula hoop again?
Yeah, do the hula hoop again.
Oh, okay. What's your remote?
Just gonna get closer to Ariel.
Alright. During 10 minutes. You're getting good at this a lot.
Do you have a wedgies, little one? Yeah?
No, I'm just getting tired.
You getting tired? Why?
Well, when I start, you need to go really, really fast. But not yet. Okay, come on. Get right here.
Now, can I fall on that?
No. Really fast. Super fast. You're really fast.
I just.
Oh, you made me mess up. Really, really super fast. I can always see them.
You have to do it slow, like, do it slow. In the circles. Okay, do it real fast. Do it real fast.
Oh my god. Too slow. Fast.
Do it real fast. Do it real fast. Real fast. Real fast.
Why am I?
Do it again.
Yes, I'm going super fast slow.
Slow. Fast.
You should see your face. You should see your face.
Okay.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Okay.